Good morning everyone. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to study about large numbers. Till now you have studied 10 lakh, right? So today we'll move to the next large number. So which is the smallest 7-digit number? Which is the smallest 7-digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Which is the largest 7-digit number? 99 lakh, 99,999. So what will be the smallest 8-digit number? So if you add 1 to the largest 7-digit number, you will get smallest 8-digit number. So I am going to add 1. So you will get smallest 8-digit number. What is that? We can count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So, smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Okay, what is the spelling? 1 crore. C-R-O-R-E. Okay, now next one. What is the largest 8-digit number? So, we will write 9, 9, 9, again 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So put comma. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and 9 crore. So 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999 is the largest 8-digit number. I am going to add 1 to this number. So we will get smallest 9-digit number, right? So 0, 0, 0, again 0, 0. Okay. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, then 10 crore. So next to place value is 10 crore. So 10 crore is the smallest 9-digit number. Same way you can find by putting 9 nines, you will get largest 9-digit number. Okay, so that is 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. Okay, now you can write this as notes. So largest 7-digit number 99 lakh, 99,999. Then smallest 8-digit number, when you add 1 to this number, you will get smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 crore. Okay. Now, largest 8-digit number 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. Then when you add 1 to that number, you will get smallest 9-digit number, that is 10 crore. Okay. So all of you write this in your notebook. Next I am going to say some relationship between the numbers. If you have 10 rupees notes, what is that? It is 100. So we can write it as 10 rupee notes is equal to 100 rupees. Same way, if you have 110 rupees, 110 rupees. What is that? 110 rupees. It will be 1000 rupees. Same like we can write 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is equal to 1 crore. 100 lakhs is equal to 1 crore. Next one, 10 crore is equal to 110 crore. 10 crores is equal to 110 crore. Then 10 crores. 10 crores is equal to 100 crores. 100 crores means 100 crores. So this also below the note you can write it. After that we can move to the place value chart of crores and 10 crores. Okay children. So all of you write the question. Arrange the numbers in place value chart and write them in words. So here you have 3 questions. These numbers you have to arrange it in place value chart and write the number name of the numbers given here. Okay. So first of all you have to put comma according to the period. So which are the periods we have? 1's period, 1000's period, lakh's period, then crores period. So how do we put comma in Indian system? We put comma like 3. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. Like that we can put commas. Now, second question. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. So, this is the way we are putting commas. So, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. So, 3, 2, 2, 2. Like that we can put commas for the questions. Now, we will arrange these numbers in place value chart. Our first question was this one. If you are arranging the number in place value chart, you should start from this side. Okay, because we are counting from 1's, 10's, 100's. So, I can write 7, then 0, then 4. Then we have put comma now. So, 1's period is completed. Clear children? Now, next number 5. Next number 3. So, we have completed 1000's period. Next number 6. Then 0. We have completed lakhs period. Clear children? Now, we have only one number. So, that is in the crores period. So, first part of the question is completed. We have arranged the numbers in place value chart. Now, the second part of the question is write the number name of this number. So, how will we write the number name? You can just check the place value chart. Here, 8 crore. Then there is no 10 lakh. So, we can read 8 crore 6 lakh 35,407. Clear? So, we can write the number name as 8 crore 6 lakh 35,407. Clear children? So, write that. Okay. Now, we will do the second question. Here, we put comma 3, 2, 2. Same way we can write the place value chart. First 5, 1, 7, 0, 3, 8, 0, then 2 and 6. Now, we'll write the number name, that is 62 crore 8 lakh 30,715. Okay, so according to the place value chart, you can write the number name easily. Write this 62 crore 8 lakh 30,715. Next question, put comma 322. Start from here. 2 4 3 0 0 8 3 0 9. Now read the number 90 crore 38 lakh, no thousands. So thousands period is missing. Move to the next period, that is 342. So we can write 90 crore 38 lakh 342. Okay, please write this. Then we can move to the next topic. Our next topic is expanded form. We have explained expanded form and compact form in the previous classes. So much more explanation is not needed. How to write expanded form and compact form of large numbers. Okay, so write in your notebook expanded form. Here A, first of all you have to put comma. So 3 2 2, like that you can put it 3 2 2. Now when you check the number, you can see that there is 73 crore. Okay, 73 crore. So how can I write expanded form? First you write 7. Then count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So put 8 zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus. Next number 3 crore. So 3 after how many digits? 7. So 7 zeros. 7. Plus. Here there is no numbers. It is 0. So you can avoid that. Now you take 5. So how many zeros? 4 zeros. 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 8. So this is the way we are writing expanded form. Next question, put comma first. 3 2 2. So 92 crore 13 lakh 66,283. Same method you can follow. 9D. 9 after you can write 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros plus. Then 2 after 7 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1. How many zeros? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't make mistake. That's why I am saying you to count like that. Okay. So 6 zeros. Then 3 after 5 zeros. Then 6. 4 zeros. Again 6. 3 zeros. Then 281 0. Then 3. Okay. So you can write these 2 questions as example. Other 3 questions I will give you as homework. Okay, you can do that. Children, write these 3 questions as homework. Write in expanded form. Okay. Next question. Same way you can do page number 8. Question 3. Page number 8. Question 3 and question number 7. That you can do in the textbook. No need to write it in the notebook. Those who have textbook, they can write it. Those who does not have textbook, write in the notebook. Okay children, I will show the questions in the end of the video. Okay. Now we are going to study about predecessor and successor. You have heard that before. Predecessor means the number which is previous of the given number. Successor means the number which is coming after the given number. One example I can say predecessor of 100. What is predecessor of 100? 99. So 99 you will get when you subtract 1 from the given number. Okay. Now predecessor of 1000. 999. Okay. Then successor of 100. Successor means the number which is coming after 100. After 100 which number is coming? 101. So we can find predecessor of one number by subtracting 1. We can find successor of a number by adding 1 to that number. So we can do some questions. Write down. Write a predecessor and successor of the given numbers. First question. Here you can see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. 76 crore, 12. That is the number. How will you find the predecessor? We can write it as P for understanding. You can subtract 1 from this number. So we'll get the answer as 76 crore 11. 12 minus 1, 11. Right? So 76 crore 11 is the predecessor of the given number. Then what will be the successor of the number? You have to add 1 to this number. So when you add 1, you will get 76 crore 13. 76 crore 13. 12 plus 1, 13. Is it easy now? Second question, you can see 5 crore 69 lakh 93,875. 875. Now predecessor, subtract 1. So 5, 6, 9, 9, 3, 8, 7, 4. 875 was the question. When you subtract 1, you will get 874. Then put comma. Now we will write successor. Okay. So add 1 to this number. So we'll get 5, 6, 9, 9, 3, 8, 7, 6. 8, 7, 6. So the number will become 5 crore 69 lakh 93,876 is the successor. For understanding, you can remember like this: predecessor, previous number; successor, next number. Okay? PP, like that you can relate it. Write this. Next question. 1 crore 58 lakh 90,281. So predecessor means you have to subtract 1. So you get the answer as 158,90280. 280. Now successor 1 crore 58 lakh 90,282. 282. So write this. We can do one more question. Next question. 3 crore 89 lakh 2499. We should find predecessor and successor. Predecessor of this number is 499. Subtract 1. So 498. Successor. So 38902. 499 when you add with 1 you will get 500. So clear? 3 crore 89 lakh 2500 is the successor. Okay, so write that. So in this video we have studied expanded form of large number, successor and predecessor of the large number, then place value chart of large number. Okay,